First of all, GHKCU is known as the great repairer of collagen. So, what's made of collagen in our body? Pretty much everything. Um, it at least has a structure of that. Even our bones. Our bones don't get their strength from calcium. It's the protein matrix that then gets ossified, not calcified. So, in the cardiovascular system, we look at two different things that can affect us, and that would be MI, myocardial infarction, or stroke. The GHK copper peptide inhibits a gene that's involved in making fibrinogen, or the fibrinogen molecule. And so it keeps fibrinogen in check and prevents the overproduction. What's fibrinogen? It's the stuff that makes our red blood cells sticky. So if you get a cut or a bleed, it's going to clot. But if it gets too high, it's too sticky. And then eventually, if enough red blood cells stick together, you're going to have a clot in one of the small capillaries or a bigger artery. So that's one of the benefits. The other one is that it activates an increase in production of what's called myostatin. Myostatin inhibits cardiac failure.